Thukuru muganja cia gukomo ni cirathurirwo guku mucii wa Nairobi kuheanaga mathomo kuri arutwo makiinukaga. Thukuru cine hamwe na Lenana High School, Nairobi School, Upper Hill School, Dagoretti High School, Ofafa Jericho High School, State House Girls High School, oro udumwe na Ngara High School. Nitucereire imwe cia thukuru ici guku Nairobi kuria twaranirie na rugamiriria nene thukuru ici itanya ritu rinene ari kumenya kana tafarira ino ni kuhotekeka. Thukuru wa imwana wa Lenana ni utumite ndumiriri kuri nyumba cia mohoro kuria uritie aciari aria mari na arutwo mari na marks kuma 380 kwiyandikithia makoro magithomera thukuru-ini ici makiinukaga.
Then unakuta ile shule alichoose sio yenye anapewa the opposite. Instead of encouraging a child mwenye amefanya very kazi yake kwa bidii, we discourage that child. Sasa next time hata ukimwambia ukifanya utapewa haki, hakuna haki. Yeah, so we are not happy as parents.
Ameitwa shule nyingine lakini hajaridhika na hiyo nyingine.
Kuringana na rugamiriria aya, thirikari ni ihaririirie wega kuna ni heanite kigina gia gwaka irathi makiria. Ona kuri ogwa rugamiriria thukuru ici ni maugite gutiagite mathina megukoro makiyumiria mamwe mamo ari uhaguku wa mitugo gatagata-ini ka arutwo. Hindi ya kurekereria maumiria ma kigeranio gia KCPE mweri muthiru, Minister wa Githomo Fred Matiang'i ni atangathire na kuga arutwo othe 993,718 aria maikarire kigeranio kiu ni mekuheo kanya ga kuingira thukuru wa secondary.
The savings we are making in the education sector, about how I would like us to look at the budget in the Ministry of Education and the education sector so that we can have resources to pour into recruitment of teachers, we can reduce the teacher-student ratio and look at how we can engage in professional development of the teachers, because that is how we are going to get the desired learning outcomes.
Mubango uyu utanyitwo kwambiria thukuru cia guku kaunti ya Nairobi mbere ya utheremetio kaunti-ini ingi guku bururi-ini. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wanjiru wa Njuguna.